Hey everyone, let's jump right in. Because if you're running a warehouse, you know that optimizing your operations usually boils down to solving one absolutely massive challenge. How do we move heavy loads efficiently? Well, in today's explainer, we're going to break down the mechanics and the real-world utility of manual chain hoists. Specifically, we're taking a close look at the heavy-hitting lineup provided by A-Plus Warehouse. Look, whether you're a warehouse manager, a procurement officer, or the one actually out there sweating on the industrial floor, you are definitely familiar with the ultimate operational bottleneck: heavy lifting. It's tough, right? It slows down workflows, it absolutely drains your team's energy, and without the right equipment, a busy shop floor can literally come to a grinding halt. Okay, let's dive into this. At its most basic level, a manual chain hoist is simply a tool used for the heavy lifting of objects and equipment. But the real magic, it's in how it actually works. By using internal gearing to create mechanical advantage, these devices safely multiply human effort. It's like a giant puzzle coming together, seamlessly transforming what used to be a grueling two-man struggle into a smooth single-operator task. Now, when you're looking to procure new equipment, you usually have to make a choice: manual or electric. So why go manual? Well, beyond the fact that the initial cost is significantly lower, manual chain hoists don't need to be plugged into a power grid. That is a real game changer because it means they can be deployed literally anywhere in your facility. If you don't actually need continuous, rapid-fire automation, going manual is a surefire way to drastically bring down both your overhead and your maintenance costs. Now, what's really interesting here is the massive 10,000-pound capacity limit. Because opting for a manual device does not mean you're sacrificing power. No way. A-Plus Warehouse actually offers economy hand chain hoists that support up to 10,000 pounds. To put that into perspective, that is 5 solid tons of lifting power. And it's driven entirely by incredibly efficient mechanical engineering with zero electricity required. And it gets better. To build on that vertical capacity, these hoists are often paired with matching trolleys. A Plus Warehouse actually offers these as combo units, which is super convenient. So while the hoist itself is handling up to 10,000 pounds vertically, the trolley in that combo can handle up to a 12,000-pound capacity horizontally. Procuring them together ensures exact compatibility right out of the box, instantly upgrading your workflow. So, the crucial point is that material handling equipment works best when it's utilized as a complete system. I mean, a chain hoist doesn't just operate floating in midair, right? By pairing your hoists and trolleys with jib cranes or gantry cranes, you're creating a truly dynamic ecosystem. It maximizes your overall workspace efficiency, completely freeing you up to move incredibly heavy loads seamlessly across all 3 dimensions of your shop floor. Of course, when we're talking about suspending thousands of pounds right over a busy workspace, equipment reliability is absolutely a matter of safety. It's non-negotiable. That's exactly why A-Plus Warehouse sources from deeply established industry vendors. We're talking trusted names like CM, Cuffing, Harrington, and Wesco. Wesco, for instance, has been operating since 1948. Utilizing equipment with decades of proven engineering behind it is absolutely crucial to mitigating workplace risk. Ultimately, the entire goal of your warehouse setup really just comes down to the A-Plus Warehouse motto: move it, lift it, and store it. Integrating a reliable manual chain hoist system is a highly strategic, incredibly cost-effective method to totally transform your facility's capabilities. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. So, what's your next step to lift smarter and add that lasting efficiency to your workspace?